you show me before that now you have to switch off when you import package, no? And that is the point, the relevant point, because you have to leave only meshes.
Yeah, yeah, it's better. Very slow, very small. I know it's probably going to be a lot of work, but if you do small, like, Mark, one at a time, one little environment at a time, and also create a scene. First, create a scene, maybe like a brand new scene over here. Just go create scene and name it your game.
Yes.
Once you have it, then the steps are to remove the main camera, right? So this is the important one because it's going to be interfering with our XR. Then you go to database.
Un attimo, wait. I'm taking notes.
Oh, no problem. I'm recording it. I'm going to show it to you.
Okay, because I want, okay, this is the point for me.
So, and then you put them in the then you will have to add this exact scene into the database, right? So this one, your game, it's called your game,
Yes.
like this. And then we'll put that database in the SDK so you can easily find it. So it's in the hubs. Remember how we have the hubs and places, right? It depends on where you want this to be. If you want it in the hubs, you go here, then you click on plus. And you can you can move it up if you want it to be the first one, right? So, or you can move it anywhere where you want it to be. So I'll do it the first one. And we have to call it exactly how we named it.
Okay. How did you arrive in database? Where do you find database?
Database, you search over here.
Ah,
But again, we're going to put it in vertex form. But you can just search
yes.
like that, and then you'll find them. So
Okay, and then you put the name, the exact name in the
yeah, your
um,
game like this.
your game.
Your game. Right? So then you will put different screenshot, whatever your screenshot is. You take it, you make it, you have to make your screenshot a sprite, and I also have it in the tutorials, right? So not default, it has to be sprite, and it has to be single right here. Also make sure it's small. So look how big it is. It's not good. You have to shrink it. Then when you do that, you'll have this drop down menu. Then you'll be able to drop that into the preview because otherwise regular image is not gonna go here. Okay. So then you go like this, just drag and drop, like that. So if you will click on fly mode, you'll be able to fly. If you don't, you're not going to be able to fly, right? So then you did this. This is number one step, important one. The number two is to add it to the addressables. For me, I already have a remote because I'm pulling everything from the cloud. Again, I'll explain it. And we have a list of Mark's questions. We're going to try to go over them right now real quick. Cool. Then the second step, go back to your scenes. So your game, and you go over here, right? And it's going to be in the local. So don't worry about remote. You're going to have local. Then the next step is that you remove this whole line. So this whole line needs to be like this. You remove this and you remove this. Hold on. Remove Unity. Just like that. Right? And then you can create a label. I don't know if label is important, but I don't know why we did it. I think it is important. So then you go your game and you save a label. Your game. Everything is in tutorial, every single step of the. So then, and this should work, right? I'm not missing anything. We don't have anything here. But that will set it up already to work with the addressables and your managers, because we have managers that will spawn here. Right, let's put something here. And then what I would suggest you to do is literally test it as it is, like this, that's it. Cube and plane, before you start bringing anything. Then you bring one by one, small little things. And then remember that your cube has to be in the center because the avatar is going to spawn here. This is where the avatar is spawning. Right? So make sure that you have a cube, kind of testing cube for the center of the spawning location. Maybe at some... Go ahead.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
When you want, I have opened finally.
You open?
If you want to see something.
Yeah, I do. Let's see if it showed up. You know, I should have probably should have got my computer connected first. Then you test it with the XR device simulator. Do we have that XR device simulator? We did some changes here. XR device simulator. Okay, then let's go look. So see, it's already here, your game. And then if you move it, it will move down the line, whatever you want to be. So then download, because I have it remote, but it's not really remote, it's here. So now we are in the new scene, right? So then we can go to our menu again, and your game is here. Take it very slow. Don't try to force anything. You want to share the screen?
Yes. This?
Yeah.
Okay. This one?
Yeah.
But it will take sometimes.
Yeah, I know. But and then, okay, this one.
Download zip.
Yeah, so if you go back to the tutorials again.
Yes.
Go back to website. No, just the website. Oh, yeah.
Just desktop. Okay.
Go to the tutorials.
Tutorials? Where?
On the website. Tutorials.
Yes.
Over here. And then you go in just like one by one. You can see we updated already everything. It will tell you everything how to do that. So you'll have to copy those 3 pages. Down this picture. I don't know if you visual or can you read, because I hate reading, but this is the best way.
This one?
Yeah. Just do like this, everything exactly the same. Then from your project, from the project that you just showed me, start importing very small, create a scene, right? What I just showed you, plain scene with your own little cube. Just make sure that works. And then start importing one by one. And then you understand where the problem is when you run into it.
But as you can see now, it seems not to be errors, but we have to look maybe in the console. What console?
This is broken project. This doesn't have database. It's corrupted. You need a new one.
Yes. But the last, I don't know why. Maybe because of the changes, no? But the last time, this is the problem. these red spots belongs to you to spatial. So if I switch off, as you were suggesting, during the importing phase,
can you go into the scene and you have to go through the hierarchy?
Yes.
And then make sure you remove all of the spatial camera. They have thumbnail, nail. No, go in the hierarchy, in the scene itself. Up, where all your objects are. The freeze, circle, everything over there on top. Yeah.
Here.
So make sure
Hierarchy.
delete. Oh, there's entrance point, so you have to delete that. That's spatial entrance point.
But at this point, in this moment, it is better that I really use this new tutorial, this new starter kit, no?
Yeah, but still, if you need to import from spatial, you'll still have to clean it first, right?
Yes,
Leave everything.
yes.
Put everything in one folder. All your objects, they have to be in one folder so you can find them later.
Okay. I see.
And only if you, okay, go back. Let's see what bringing in. Can you find that scene in your environment?
This scene is divine.
Yeah,
It's called divine. Divine, this one.
Okay, click on it, like left click, right click, I'm sorry. Yeah, export package. Export package.
Yeah, we are preparing package. Yes, thank you so much. I see. Loading.
Yeah, I have a lot here. Also, I see that some of the things are turned off. If you don't need them, I would delete them because they will bring in and they will expand it. So yeah, you have a lot of stuff here.
This is why it takes time, guys. It's a game because this is my
inputs. You can't have any inputs. You gotta turn them off. Unity objects, you gotta turn them off.
Allora.
And I would also turn off water shader for now. Just turn it off for now. Yeah. Click on the arrow so to close them. Yeah. Turn them off. Just uncheck them and close the arrow. So yeah, the one. A 3D party. Turn them off. You don't need them. Skybox.
So all the these are packages from Sketchfab.
Yeah, you can leave it here. Let's see.
Oh, okay, this is okay. Script, rotate camera.
I would turn off Adobe for now. Just turn it off.
Where is Adobe?
Down, 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 down.
Aspetta.
Down. There. Turn them off. Okay, minimize. Art, you can leave. Minimize art. Minimize art. Yeah. Just leave it, yeah. Audio, leave here.
Camera mode sample means
no,
it belongs
probably don't bring it right now. Just bring it. I don't know what it is.
No, it's from spatial.
Oh, okay, yeah.
This is a car. This is a car, but I can delete it.
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, Divine Odyssey, just minimize it.
Yes.
I don't think there's any scripts, right? Can you scroll a little more? Let me see. Open it again. I'm sorry. Divine Odyssey, open it.
Aspetta.
Divine Odyssey.
Ho problema.
Down. This one, yeah. Let me scroll. Scroll.
This one is an animation.
Okay.
Look how many PNG in order to move the angel.
It's fine.
Face.
I just am looking for scripts. Look down. Okay, what is this?
Where?
That joke. My scripts turned them all off.
Yes, that joke. Let me check. Where you are so fast. These are scripts made from me.
Can you uncheck them first and then bring them one by one? Yeah. Next.
Yes, this is a special script adapted, and it was reloaded in order for the avatar to talk with people.
Okay.
So maybe it's better that it is switched off.
Next, down, 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 down.
Realistic Paladin animation.
Down,
frame.
down. Okay, what is it? Easy main menu. Turn them off. Turn them off. Next. Example, turn them all off. You don't need any of this. Minimize it, please.
This one.
Yep.
Examples belongs to special.
Yeah.
So I think that we can.
This one off. I don't know what it is.
This one?
I think so, yeah.
No, this
is it yours for the scene or no?
I think so.
Okay.
Material skybox.
Okay.
Reflection probe.
It's fine.
Should be fine.
Light. It's fine. Light is fine. It's a lot. Okay. Oculus, turn it off, please.
Where?
Oculus, down.
Aspetta che l'ho perso.
Oh, there. This. Up. Down. Oculus. Down. 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 Stop. Down. Down. There you go. Up. There you go.
Questo?
Yep. Minimize it. Parallel sync off. Photon off. Prefabs off.
This is the an avatar I have created. I don't know.
Okay, you can keep samples off. Scripts off. You can always shared assets off. Text Mesh Pro off. Toolset Helper off. UI Pack off. Unity assets. You can keep them. Okay. Arjun, do you think I'm missing anything here? I think that's probably good. Good way to start.
What do you think?
And then you go export.
I would deselect include dependencies, because I believe that puts in other scripts.
Well, she already turned.
Oh, she already deselected them.
Disconnected them, yeah. Export.
Okay, sorry.
Export?
Yeah.
Ok. Allora, scriviamo nuova. Vertex. Unity package. Lo mettiamo.
Oh, I'm curious to see the size of it. It looks like it's going to be very big. That will probably require you remote environment. But I would literally delete everything that you have off, because that will still build size. But you have all this disabled environment. Can you see if it's already saved? See the size of it?
This is exporting. It is exporting, still exporting.
So what I would do next, when you open the new package, right, that we create the new package, so then go to assets, import package, custom package.
Yes.
Let me show, because you're a little frozen. Let me show you. Then you would go assets, import package, custom package.
Mm-hmm.
And then you go find this, what you just saved.
Yes.
And then
Yes,
it will,
yeah.
and then it will do this. I'm not going to import it, but I'm just going to show you. What we just saved, you just go over one more time to make sure you only have assets, no scripts. See, I don't have any scripts. And then you will import, and then you probably will have a bunch of folders. I don't know where everything is in your stuff. But then you will go find your scene, and then you do what we just did. You go,
Okay.
you open the scene, make sure everything now pink or whatever. Then do all the steps, database,
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
like that, and then test.
Yes. And when you test, you are doing something else or just play?
If you want, you can through the editor, but I sometimes connect my headset, and I also have explanation how to test it through the headset.
Okay. Let me see if your tutorial is because now I have my package on and I can open.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But either testing method will help you verify that it's working. Either way.
So,
You,
yes, please.
first you need photon IDs. Did you get those?
Photon ID, I did it, but inside
Yep.
inside the vertex form template, just so right?
Search for photon settings in the search bar.
Okay. But you can see my screen now. Can you see it?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can. If you need to get the keys privately, that's fine.
I think I got them when I first.
Then you have to go back on your project and search photon settings in the project. Yeah.
But it is not better that I open the new
No,
template.
no, no.
This
No.
okay.
The
Okay.
ID has nothing to do
Okay. Where here
with
or
photon.
here?
No, down there, down. Yeah,
Here.
right. Photon
See.
PH server. No. Photon server. Serve as. There you go. Yep. Click. Copy.
Okay.
Copy these
Okay.
IDs
Copy.
and bring into the
In the new.
in the new one. Yep.
This
No.
one.
You already opened it in Unity.
But it was the oldest. No.
No. You just opened it, right? The one that
No.
just downloaded.
I didn't open. It is done automatically, but I didn't click on it. I download it
You just
now.
did.
You may. You are sure? No, I don't think so. But
Wait, I just saw it opened. No. Can you look Unity packages? I mean Unity projects. You have another one.
this is the old one. But here we didn't find the database.
No, didn't you guys? Did she open it or am I glitching?
If you, I'm looking for database. Okay.
Can you open can you open Unity Hub?
Database.
I didn't see, sorry.
No?
This is
No. Unity Hub. Open Unity Hub.
yeah. Okay. And so I have to
No,
shut
don't
this.
close it. No. Just
Okay.
search for
Okay.
Unity Hub.
Ok,
It's
allora,
in your
vediamo.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. It's already open. So click on the. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Maybe I'm
This
going.
is the old one.
Oh, that's weird. All right.
I have to add the other package.
Well, look, you have to first follow the steps. Don't do that yet because we have some steps there where you have to copy folders first. Remember? This one. Hold on. Oops. So, can you see my screen?
Hold on.
Can you see my screen? No?
I have to make it bigger. No,
There's probably a second window open somewhere.
Sì, infatti. Okay. Where is this one?
Guys, can you see my screen or you still see Rafaela's screen?
I see yours.
Yeah, we see Jenny's.
It's me that I don't see you.
Yep, I'm still seeing it.
You have a second screen, it's on top. Look on top. There will be probably two screens for you. Oops. Sorry.
Eccoci. Here we are.
You see? So when you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. When you download this zip,
Yes.
unpack it, and then you leave it alone, like leave it on your computer. Then create a new folder. Name it your game, right? The way you name your game and then Vertex from 3D with your name, and then copy this assets packages project in there. So everything else, you don't need anything over here. So those, just copy them, then open them with Android like this. You just click. Let me go to my Unity Hub. Go over here and click like this. Oops. Like this. Wait. Click over here. Oh, it's already open. Like this, and then click Android. So Android.
Yes.
I have a small question about that, if possible. Just sneak in, just because I was trying to do exactly that over here, and when I tried to make a new project, it doesn't give me the option for Android. It just gives me these kind of like, what does it say really? I don't know.
You have modules installed, Android modules?
Yeah, exactly. So do I just select? I don't want the kind of I don't need the VR package, do I? Because that's an Oculus thing. I mean,
wait, you don't create new project, right? You don't do that from here. Did you?
Well, I was going to do that just to have a clean one.
What happens? What, Lori?
Oh, I was just going to say, yeah, Vertex Form 3D, treat that project like a template. You're going to put your stuff into the Vertex Form 3D project. You don't want your own new project.
Yeah.
Yes. This is the point.
Yeah, no, you don't do that. It's already a package. It's already working Unity package. You open it.
Okay. So I add the Unity package in the Unity Hub, not
project.
make.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So once you copy that and name your app the way you want it, then you just open it. That's it. And it will already come with everything you need.
Okay.
You add project.
Yeah, you're just renaming the Vertex Form 3D project to your own thing.
Okay. Thank you. That was.
Then
So it's possible to rename the folder, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, in your File Explorer, you rename the folder.
Okay.
And then when you open it via Hub, when you add it and open it via Hub, it will be renamed to whatever you named it in your File Explorer.
Yeah. Yep. And then add project, open it with Android, right? So it has to be open with Android. like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then it will open this. I'm sorry, this way.
And if you don't have it open in Android, you can still change it in the build settings afterwards from
Yeah, you
inside the
can.
project.
But
It
then
just takes a while.
I know. Then I
Yeah.
forget, and then I was like, oh, what's going on? Doesn't work.
Yes.
Yeah, you can do that here. And then this is when you put your photon. The next step would be to put your photon and test it. Make sure everything works and you're able to test it before. Then create a very small scene, as I explained, like very small. Edit, play it, and you'll be like, okay, cool. My scene is there, it's working. Then start adding stuff.
Yeah.
And Lori did a lot of customization. She removed all example scenes. She did a whole bunch of stuff there. I love it.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend doing that right off the bat. I would recommend what Ev's saying, to test it as it is already and make sure it's working before you start deleting anything. That way you know what it is that you messed up if it stops working.
Yep. Any other questions?
Once, in order to select the three folders, the three yellow folders. No, it's opening. No.
You can share. Oops.
No, it's frozen again because I have two version of the project open simultaneously in order to paste copy, no? The photon.
You copy it. Let me see where the zip folder is. Can you show? Where is that? Downloaded.
Okay. This one.
No. Wait, that's a package. Where's the zip that you just downloaded? The zip one.
The zip.
Yeah.
In download.
There you go. It's over there. So it's on your desktop. Click on it on the desktop. Down. Okay. No, up.
Sì.
Click left. Right click. Extract here. While it's extracting, create a new folder, empty folder, and name it your game. Just not here, on the desktop. And name it the way what you want to name it. Yeah.
Okay.
So why I do it, because you want to have a copy, a fresh copy that you didn't mess up, just in case you want to go back.
Yes.
Now open Vertex from 3D folder. Assets, packages, and project setting. Select that. No. Docs, don't select that.
Aspetta. Allora,
Packages. Copy. And put it in the other folder.
di qua poi, then here.
Yeah. Hold on, just wait for it to.
Yes. Just to understand if I understand correctly.
Yes,
Yes.
add.
Just,
Click on add.
but it is finishing.
Yeah.
No, not finishing.
From disk.
There is a delay between, okay.
Then you go on the desktop. Yeah, so wait for it to, because you need to use
Yes.
the folder. Yeah. Okay. Go select that and then wait, don't open. Go to the 6032. Yep. Click on it. Android. Open. So it will have a library creating, so that will take a while for you to open it.
In fact. But the problem is that the last time it was faster. I don't know what happened. Yes, I have a lot of things here, but yesterday the Technic was here trying to make my PC faster than ever, but yes, 41 and 72.
But then this is your clean project. You can even, once you open it, you can even maybe try to copy. I don't know if you want to do that or not. Probably not at this point, but this is your clean project.
Yes.
And the first thing you'll do, you put your ID, photon ID.
Yes.
You test it, make sure it works.
Yes.
And that's it. And honestly, you have so many assets. I would maybe bring even like small parts. You would say, okay, I'm just gonna bring terrain. So bring in terrain or bring in environment, like
and let's see what happens. Okay.
like one by one. Bring like
Yes.
one thing at a time. And if breaks, you're like, okay, this broke. I have to delete that part.
Yes, because this is frustrating, when you find all the troubles all at once.
Yeah, it's okay.
That's why I was stuck. I was terrified because in order to do all this job, I took a lot of time, no?
Yeah.
And
no, it looks great. I love it. I saw your trailer. Can you show your trailer?
Yes.
The one you showed me before, it looks so cool.
Do you want me to play the trailer?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Okay. Dove Symmetrical? Ecco qua, Smart Link.
How exciting. Can you make it full screen?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
pretty.
I don't know if you can hear the audio also, but
No,
I'm trying.
It's so pretty.
Frozen 3. Frozen 4. No! Guys, this is Sammy, and this was my avatar. I made this avatar, and now is let's see, not allowed to make it bigger than this. Yes, a lot of times, a lot of codes involved in here. And then this trailer will be displayed in Modena in October because this trailer was chosen by a film festival.
Oh, very cool. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is the animation that the 50 sprites that you saw were from the angel. Terrible.
Yeah. Well, it's okay. Let's. It's probably gonna take a while until it opens. It looks awesome, and let me know how it goes once it opens.
Yes, please. Sorry, I'm sorry if I was not ready.
Oh no, it's okay. No.
Lots of things going on.
Yeah.
But I want to do it with you, with your help, with your patience, and I'm so glad that you helped me.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be awesome.
Yeah. We'll help you. I'm available on GitHub also. Once you get it done, we'll set up another troubleshooting session once you have a little more questions. And Mark, I hope that you can also troubleshoot and get your thing going. I can't hear you.
Me?
Yeah, I will. I'm starting from scratch again, so hopefully I'll just do a little bit at a time as you suggest.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Anybody else have questions? Steph, Lance?
No, I'm really impressed. Thank you.
Thank you. Lance, I can't wait to see that Space Hurricane published.
Yeah, I just got the shader working just now, the one that makes the screen look like they're screens, or photos look like screens. I was fixing something else that I noticed that broke, so so it's almost ready. It's almost ready to come
That's
in.
how it goes, isn't it?
Exactly. I was thinking maybe I was gonna be able to get it properly set up to upload, but then I was like, oh, that's broken, and I gotta fix that. So
Well, all right, guys, I'm gonna stop the meeting today, but it was awesome. We went over an hour today. I will post parts, not the whole thing. I probably will post, something important that we discussed today. I think that will help other people. And,
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We will find this recording on Discord.
Yeah, I'm gonna process it today and I will post it.
Okay. Thank you so much. And
thank you, Rafaela.
Again.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.